Alright, low tide, Omaha Beach. You're getting bombarded from there and over there. Machine gun nests all across this range. You're trying to go up the draw right there. Here's a run attempt. The amount of time it takes to go low tide, normally, Omaha Beach. Running. While you're doing this, you have pounds and pounds of gear on you, constantly getting shot at for the entire duration of the run. The only cover you have at this point are little jack-shaped things designed to rip up the bottom of boats to stop an invasion at high tide. At no point during this run are you not going to be shelled. Shot at with machine guns. Weather being about what it is today. Drizzling. Nasty. At this point, we're trying to negotiate the shale wall. It's since been removed. Big stand now, right at the seawall. Your first available, really good cover. Back here, back out, peeking over. None of this vegetation would have been here at the time, having just undergone 40 minutes of bombardment, and most of it would have been cleared out by Rommel's forces anyway. Oh man. I'd say at this point you're about halfway up to where you need to be, that line of trees, where the current lookout is at the visitor center. Wow.